Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to do our second day of learning about possessives. Remember, possessives are words that are showing ownership. Our objective for today is I can read 3 out of 4 words as singular and plural possessives. You're welcome to grab a brother or sister or mom or dad if you want them to participate with you. Okay, first we're going to segment and blend our phonemes. Remember, phonemes are just the sounds that we hear in words. Let's tap the word shells. Ready? Sh, e, o, z, shells. 4 phonemes. The next one is magic. Ready? M, a, j, I, k. Magic has 5 phonemes. Your next one, flip. Ready? F, o, I, p. Flip has 4 phonemes. Let's move this down. Your next one, hop. Ready? H, a, p. Hop has 3 phonemes. Your last one, ramp. Ready? A, p. Ramp has 4 phonemes. Let's review our words that are contractions. Remember, contractions have an apostrophe. They are formed from 2 words. When we put those 2 words together, some of the letters will pop out. That's where your apostrophe goes. Let's go ahead and read these words. Ready? Heed. It's. What'll. Wasn't. Didn't. We're. She's. Won't. Last row. Whose. They'll. Their. Doesn't. Nice job. This is a review of some multisyllabic words, words that have more than 1 syllable. You'll notice some of these are compound words. Maybe you can go through and find them. You're welcome to stop the video. Look and see if you can find any words that are compound words, where you have 2 words put together to make a new word. Well, hopefully you found them. Let's read through them and then we will talk about which ones are compound words. Ready? Birthday, classroom, cowboy, flashlight, pencil, window, doctor, winter, flagstaff, explain, footprint, repeat. Okay, hopefully you notice the ones that are compound words. That whole first row, birthday has birth and day put together. Classroom has class and room put together. Cowboy has cow and boy put together. Flashlight has flash and light put together. The second row, they are all 2-syllable words, but they are not compound words. Then we have flagstaff. Flag is a word, staff is a word. It's also a proper noun because it is the name of a particular place. So you'll notice a capital F. The other one is footprint. Foot and print are both words. They made a new word by putting them together, footprint. Nice work. You're welcome to always stop the video and reread. Okay, we're going to go ahead to our possessives. Remember, we are using apostrophe S or S apostrophe to show possession, which means you're showing ownership. The example here, there's 1 bird and it's the bird's nest. Birds is a singular possession with apostrophe S. The second example, you will notice more than 1 dog. That's plural. It's the dog's owner. Dogs has an S apostrophe showing that it is a plural possession. Let's go ahead and listen as I model this for you. Right away, I notice I have an apostrophe S, which tells me that's a singular possessive. I can read this, animal's fur. Whose fur? Animal's fur. You'll notice apostrophe S. Okay, your turn. Let's go ahead and read puppy's tail. Whose tail? The puppy's tail. Here you will see apostrophe S, showing that it is a singular possession. The second one, ready? Let's read it together. Trees, leaves. You'll notice right away the apostrophe is coming after the S, showing that it's plural. So we have more than one tree. It's the tree's leaves, or all the tree's leaves. Your next one, boys' shirts. Look to see where that apostrophe is. You'll notice it comes after the S, showing that it's a plural possession. Boys' shirts. I could say the two boys' shirts were all dirty from the park. Your last one, let me move that up a little. Let's read it. Zebras, stripes. Here we'll see the apostrophe is coming before the S, showing that it is singular. So there's just one zebra, and it's the zebra's stripes, showing ownership. Whose stripes? The zebra's stripes. Here we have our apostrophe S. Okay, your turn. Go ahead. We see that we have a capital letter here. That name is John. That's one person. So you should know, think about it. Are you going to add apostrophe S or S apostrophe to show that it's his backpack? And hopefully you said apostrophe S. If you did, you just got one correct. Nice job. Look at the second one. Dog, and then the bark. Okay, decide. Do you think it's apostrophe S showing singular or plural S apostrophe? If you think it's apostrophe S, you are correct. It's the dog's bark. Okay, here you have student books. It is apostrophe S, and you could actually do this either way. You could also do apostrophe or S apostrophe, showing there's more than one student and it's all of their books. So either way is okay with this, depending on your sentence. If I said the student lost his books, they would be the student's books, apostrophe S. If I said all the students lost their books, it would be S apostrophe. Here we have the boys' project. This is going to be apostrophe S if I said the boy finished his project yesterday. It's the boys' project, apostrophe S. If you got all of those correct, you can say, I can read 4 out of 4 words as singular and plural possessives. Nice job, boys and girls.